Hericium erinaceus is a culinary and medicinal mushroom, commonly known as lion's mane mushroom, monkey's head mushroom, and cendawan bunga cornis in Malaysia. It has been part of human culture and traditional Chinese medicine for several thousands of years.
Hericium erinaceus is well known for its medical properties. The chemical contents have been studied, and the secondary metabolites have been isolated and identified. In general, the secondary metabolites from Hericium erinaceus can be classified into 6 groups. Hericenols and hericillins both belong to phenolics group. Hericenols are a type of benzaldehyde. Erinacines belongs to cyclane diterpenoid. Erinopyrones are pyrones group. Erinacerids and erinaceo-lactones belongs to indolenones and benzoperoxides.
We propose that the exogenous antioxidants in HASC possess protective effects against oxidative stress in Friedreich's ataxia. Mitochondrial dysfunction and oxidative stress have been implicated in the pathogenesis of Friedreich's ataxia, and here we investigated the protective effects of NevGro against mitochondrial impairment in FRDA. The pathogenesis of FRDA is caused by mutation in frataxin, the gene encoding frataxin protein. Expression of GAA trinucleotide in the first intron of the frataxin gene results in decreased expression of mitochondrial protofrataxin, which is responsible for cellular ion metabolism and iron-sulfur clusters biogenesis in the mitochondrial matrix. Frataxin deficiency causes impaired formation of FAS clusters such as heme, ETC complexes 1 to 3 and aconites, and increased production of intracellular ROS, leading to diminished cellular ion homeostasis and cell death. Motivated by preliminary observations that report abnormalities of glutathione metabolism in FRDA patients, we challenged the cells under conditions in which the synthesis of glutathione had been blocked pharmacologically with LBSO, therefore mimicking the actual pathogenesis in FRDA. We showed that NevGro attenuated the deleterious effects of oxidative stress and mitochondrial dysfunction in fibroblasts derived from FRDA patients by regulating mitochondrial function and biogenesis. NevGro restored mitochondrial membrane potential, promoted ATP production and mitochondrial biogenesis, and modulated the expression of key metabolic genes, namely nuclear respiratory factor 1, transcription factor A, mitochondrial, and NFE2 like BZIP transcription factor. Interestingly, activation of BZIP transcription factor enhanced the synthesis of endogenous antioxidant enzymes, namely glutathione peroxidase, superoxide dismutase, and catalase. Our study demonstrated that NevGro targeted mitochondrial defects in FRDA, contributing to improved mitochondrial function and biogenesis, leading to cellular ion homeostasis. Therefore, we suggest a possible therapeutic role for NevGro in FRDA.
To investigate the therapeutic effects of Hericium erinaceus on ataxia, we administered Hericium erinaceus daily for 3 weeks to ataxic rats induced by free acetylpyridine rotosine. We performed the accelerated rotor test and raw test to assess the neuroprotective effects of Hericium erinaceus on the rat model of cerebral ataxia. We find that rats receive 10 mg per kilogram and 25 mg per kilogram Hericium erinaceus do not show significant differences compared to the control group on day 22 in the accelerated rotor test, and rats received 25 mg per kilogram Hericium erinaceus do not show significant differences compared to the control group started from day 15 onward to the rot test, indicating that Hericium erinaceus rescues the behavioral motor impairments in the ataxic rat.
Then, we also performed histological analysis by comparing Purkinje cells, the brain cells that are responsible for well-coordinated movement from each group. We found that a ataxic rat without receiving Hericium erinaceus has significantly lower Purkinje cell density and scattered with disturbed alignment and irregular appearance compared to the control group. Rats received 10 mg per kilogram or 25 mg per kilogram Hericium erinaceus treatment show higher Purkinje cell density compared to the ataxic rat without receiving treatment and with regular and ordinary morphology that was similar to the control group.
What really makes me impressed about this extract is that it actually helped with one of my Parkinson's patients. He's actually quite advanced. He is immobile when he's taking this. Only after taking for 2 weeks, he's able to walk upstairs.
NevGro has received multiple awards and recognitions at national and international levels. Gold Award Most Outstanding Academician and Platinum Award at PIID 2019. Gold Award at ITEX 2019. Gold Awards at MTE 2020 and MTE 2022. Gold Award at ITEX 2021 and Silver Award at Geneva Inventions. NevGro is also documented in 5 scientific publications and 3 agreements: Memorandum of Understanding and Memorandum of Agreement with Ganofarm R&D Srinaberhat and Material Transfer Agreement with Korea Institute for Medical Research.